Reading practice of lesson 47. 4. Dear Mr. Wilmington, when public institutions purchase stock, they get substantial commercial discounts because they deal in large quantities, period. If your partnership is not also getting these discounts, there is something you can do about it. Do business with Nashville Associates, period. We require only two things, paragraph number 1. You tell us where you want to invest your money by actually selecting your own stocks. Paragraph number 2. You do at least $300 worth of commercial business with us during the year. Paragraph. If you can do this, you will receive the same discounts that public institutions receive, period. You will also receive the same unsurpassed service that we provide public institutions, period. For a complete report on our technical service, just return the enclosed form in the self-addressed, stamped envelope we have provided, period. Cordially yours, Reading practice number 5. Dear Mrs. Washington, if you have ever tried to stop your car in an emergency situation but have not been able to do so, you know the importance of a good braking system, period. If you have ever lost control of your car on an icy road, you will readily acknowledge the advantages of practical skid prevention system. Paragraph. One important part of the vehicle safety program we devised for our latest model, Buckingham automobile, was the development of an electronic brake regulator, period. This device controls all four wheels to stabilize the car while you are attempting to stop on dry, wet, or even icy pavement, period. The system also shortens the stopping distance by up to 40 feet. Paragraph. If you want a car that gives you maximum protection against the hazards of skidding, get a Buckingham, period. If you want a car that will give you maximum performance, efficiency, and an enjoyable, comfortable ride year after year, get Buckingham, period. When you own a Buckingham, you can relax in the knowledge that should you need to make emergency stop, you will be able to do so, period. Very truly yours, Reading practice number 6. Dear Miss Harrington, as everyone undoubtedly knows, Christmas brings me good things, period. However, the Christmas season also brings with it a great number of home fires, period. Some fires are insignificant, period. Others, however, result in heavy damage, paragraph. There are some things you should not do and some that you certainly should to do to prevent home fires, particularly at Christmas time, and to protect yourself against substantial losses from fire, period. These things are discussed in the enclosed booklet, paragraph. We suggest, Miss Harrington, that you consult Mr. James Swanson, the Brownsville Insurance Company in your neighborhood, at the first opportunity and let him check your insurance program for your self-protection, period. His office is open from 8 in the morning until 5 in the afternoon, period. Sincerely yours, Reading practice number 7. Dear Mrs. Nottingham, with Christmas approaching, the danger of fire losses in homes increases substantially, period. To protect yourself against these losses, here are a few suggestions. Paragraph number 1. Don't use old electronic cords with frayed insulation. Paragraph number 2. Don't use broken electric plugs in fixtures. Paragraph number 3. Do check your fire insurance to see that your home and valuable furnishings are completely covered at today's replacement cost. Period. Many homes, unfortunately, are underinsured. Paragraph number 4. Do obtain additional living expense insurance. Period. If a fire destroys your home, you and your family could be in very serious, difficult circumstances. Period. A forward looking insurance program can easily take care of your living expenses. Paragraph. If there is any question in your mind as to whether your home is satisfactorily insured, Mrs. Nottingham, call the Pittsburgh Insurance Association for a free consultation. Period. Yours very truly, Reading practice number 8. Dear Mr. Cunningham, all of us at the State Temporary Service Company have been overwhelmingly impressed with the superior quality of the persons who are advertising in the Harrisburg Times. Paragraph. As you know, we are one of the largest employers of temporary help in the city of Harrisburg. Period. Consequently, we must continually replenish our supply of newspaper helps us achieve this objective. Paragraph. You may be sure, Mr. Cunningham, that in the future, we will continue to advertise for the various classifications of help we need through the helpful columns of your publication. Period. Sincerely yours, Reading practice number 9. Dear Mrs. Buckingham, if you collect Social Security, you will be interested to know that you can now arrange to have the government forward your Social Security checks directly to your savings bank to be deposited in your account, period. As a result, Mrs. Buckingham, you will never again have to worry about having your checks lost, stolen, or mislaid, period. It also means that your social security checks will start earning money as soon as the bank receives them. Paragraph. When you are in our neighborhood, stop in to see us at the Jacksonville Savings Bank, Jacksonville Mass Progressive Bank, period. Then, fill out a short form authorizing the government to transmit your checks directly to us each month, and we will do the rest promptly, period. Sincerely yours,